Hey, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You get 2 free recipes. And one of those recipes this week is all about satisfying that craving for a little sweetness in your life. How about a nice cookie? A healthy cookie made from chickpeas. Hey, let's get cooking. I got 1 can of chickpeas right in my food processor. Drained, rinsed, ready to go. And I'm using a 1/2 cup of sesame. I love that flavor. Okay, just these 2 items in the food processor to start with. I want to puree this up. I want it smooth, so I don't want to add too much liquid to it. Now I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients. You see, it just gets started a little bit. Just want to start it. For sweetness, I'm using a 1/3 cup of maple syrup. Check that out. Woo! Not just any maple syrup though. It's 100% maple syrup. Not pancake syrup. Not maple flavored syrup. This is a real maple syrup. I'm using 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Hey, this is something special. I got vanilla here from Mexico. It's good. It's very good vanilla, about half the price of like Madagascar vanilla, which is premium vanilla. But in cooking, this is pretty good. Gonna give you a nice vanilla flavor. Mexican vanilla. I'm not using any eggs in here because I'm going vegan with this, but I do have to use some flaxseed meal. That's my egg replacement. Instead of eggs, I'm using 2 teaspoons of flaxseed meal. By the way, the vanilla also 2 teaspoons. Leavening agents, 1/2 teaspoon each. Baking soda, baking powder. Hey, this is gonna get pretty loud. Just hang in there for a second. Check that out. Looks good. It doesn't move too much when you tilt it. That means it's the right consistency. I'm going to spray this pan so these cookies don't stick. I'm using this little scoop. You can use whatever size scoop you want. The larger the scoop, the longer you have to cook it. So I'm using this little scoop and I'm going to just scoop out. I'm going to just scoop these cookies out and place them about 2 inches apart. Fantastic. I already preheated my oven, 350 degrees. That's perfect. I'm putting the cookies inside for about 12 to 14 minutes. I'll check them after 12 minutes, see how they're doing, and I'll get back to you. See you in 12 minutes. Check these out. Just came out of the oven. These look beautiful, delicious. I'm going to wait about 10 minutes, let them cool off, then I'm going to try one. I'll see you in 10 minutes. Hey, check out these cookies. They look delicious. Made from sesame. Fantastic. Very healthy. Also have chickpeas inside. Wonderful. Hey, you want to know what else is wonderful? My brownies. They're made from black beans. I can't put regular ingredients in my baked goods. They wouldn't be healthy that way. Check out that brownie recipe and I'll see you there.